Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate these figures you are seeing here. 5 plus 4, 60 plus 70, like that. So there are three methods that I'm going to use here, and then you can choose one which you can prefer later. So to start with, I'm going to click the equal sign, and then I come and I click on this where there's 5, and then I put the plus sign, and then I click on 4. It is at B1, and then I click enter. By doing this, it means that it has provided me the answer, and I want to find the answers for the rest. With Excel, it does not require you to keep repeating the same thing. All you have to do, you'll come and click on the answer that you have got. There's a point at the corner. You point at it, you hold down the left button as it provides you the answer for the rest. That is method number 1. Let me delete this. The method number 2 is, you will say is equal to, you're going to use sum, and then into bracket, you're going to say A1, because this 5 is at A1, and then B1. So we're going to say A1, you put colon. Colon, according to Excel, is also a plus sign, and then you say B1. Then you close bracket. Then you click enter. By doing this, it means that you have already calculated these two cells. So you are going to repeat the same method as I told you about duplicating for the rest by going down like that. That is method number 2. And then method number 3 is, you will highlight these two cells, and then you go to where they have written auto sum. There's a dot there. You'll have to click, and then you choose, there are some options there. Then you'll come and click on sum. By doing this, it means that Excel has automatically calculated for you these two cells. All you have to do, you'll have to click at the corner here, and then it will provide the answer for the rest of the of the cell that you have indicated here.